Enjoy the view of this 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Get a truck that's equipped to handle every job, whether it's hauling, towing, or creating a connected mobile office on the worksite. The Silverado 2500 HD has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, premium sound system, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Relax and enjoy the confidence of knowing you have the power you need to get the job done. Get into the Silverado 2500 HD.